Betty, what?
Because you've not given me the answer to what I asked for.
Answer? So what is that? Because I cannot remember you asking me anything, so please remind me.
Wait a minute, you mean you didn't remember me telling you anything?
Refresh my memory.
Okay. Since you didn't remember any of those things I said, let me just repeat myself.
Oh.
I want you to fall for me as a female dog, then me, the male dog, I'll also fall for you. You know what I'm talking about.
God forbid. I reject it in the name of Jesus. I can never fall. I cast my band. I can never fall for you. Obiadada, take a good look at me now. Wonderfully, fearfully, beautifully, gorgeously made. For a good, rich, handsome man, not somebody like you that walk around picking alimi from the gutters. God forbid. To fear I jump and pass.
I won't take that as an insult. I will take it as a compliment. See, I understand the IGG. The initial garagara is in every woman. That if you don't do it, who will? So what you're doing is what you're supposed to do as a woman. I know you cannot just consider solo to jump on any person that come your way. Yeah, but I want you to look at me. Don't look at me from today, but see future. See tomorrow. Tomorrow is pregnant for me and you. And something in me is really telling me that both of us will make a good, in fact, we are going to make a good relationship.
But Guinea, me and you. Me and you. Better look at yourself. You don't have a future now. We don't even have a future together. Jai! Just look at you. It's because of people like you that musician sang that song. If you not get money, hide your face. Yes, like this, hide it. Bend it. Don't raise it up. Take it down. Bend it. Hide your face. I can never bring myself so low to be with somebody like you. So whenever you see me, if you see me, hide your face. Don't ever stop me on the way. Not try and stop me at all because I'm not there for your class. Look me now. Look me. See the difference between me and you. The distance is just too much. Live for your class. Don't ever stop me. Did you understand? Don't ever stop me.
Obiadada. Anyway, that is not the end of the world for me. After all, it is because of ordinary pepper. Pepper and kete. That is the reason I have been insulted. Pepper, just because it was meant in a different form. A day, 100,000, 100,000, 50,000. That is the reason I have been receiving all these insults from people. Anyway, I confess here or that out. We shall see.